watered everything, and yeah, there's aphids, but not enough for me to go and wash them all again, so it'll be like this till next week. Not too bad. Still haven't got stuff out of here. Looks like some are going bad, turning yellow. These are coming along good, and topped a couple more. I think these are the twisters, sweet twister from Curtis. Some of the smaller ones coming along. These looking good. I keep moving these around and getting aphids off of them. Those are the pepper can challenge. 3 cucumbers. I thought these were tomatoes. I don't know what happened there. But these are tomatoes, Brussels sprouts, and cucamelons. I'll probably take these. Not sure if I should take them to the greenhouse yet. Don't want to bring aphids over there. Oh, and speaking of the greenhouse, I looked in and checked this out. I came to peek at the asparagus, and whoa. Let's see if I can get this open. Gotta do something about this. It's gotten pretty tight. Kale's good, but the asparagus, look at this thing. It's freaking huge. I guess I had to pick it soon after. It looks like a good edible size. Got quite a few more sprouts around. This one almost looked ready to eat. Another one coming up back there. One next to it. And this plant only has one shoot so far. This plant has a skinny shoot. This one might be ready to eat too. That's the one they had nibbled on. I think something had tried to eat it. I have to bring some compost over here. Kale's looking good. Oh, and I also got a giant thing. I also put up the new birdhouse. Hey, there's my friend Jax. Hey cat, how are you? Meow. Want some food? First couple of visits. I saw him the other day. He's looking good. Had got his back of his ear shaved. Probably had something. Yeah, so that's the new birdhouse. I chopped up the tree to make light, more sun for this bed here. Cleared up some branches around, and I took 2 trees from here. I left that stump high enough to set the birdhouse up there. The bat symbol and the stain, that was my touch. The birdhouse I got from a guy that does the garage sales. Gotta chop up all that wood from the trees, and gotta pull out the table saw and chop all that stuff up, dry it up to burn. Hey cat, how you doing? I'll be back. Water's not for you, buddy. See you later, dude.